Hello friends, today I am going to discuss the answers of UPPCS GS paper 1 which held on 24 October 2021. So let's move. So here I will try to give authentic answers, and there are a lot of questions. The answer of those questions are very disputed. So there are a lot of disputes, so don't focus at there. Try to analyze your question paper on a general way, and find out as much as question which are sufficient to clear this exam, and don't try to find out the right answer for every question. For that you have to wait the result of. Okay, so let's move and read question number 1, and which is, can a statement is given and followed by four statements. So let's read. Can you show me one free country? Okay, can you show me one free country where there are separate electrodes? British element is gone, but they have left mischief behind. And the question is, who among following said above mentioned statement in Constituent Assembly debate? So here the right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, he was the first Home Minister of India. So move at second question. How many district of Uttar Pradesh has been covered under the aspirational district program run by Niti Aayog? So here the right answer everyone is giving 8. Okay, so let's move at next question, and the question number 3 is talked about which of the following is not the eligibility criteria, a criterion before filling registration application form for Uttar Pradesh Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana 2021. So the question is asking about Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana 2021. So you have to find out which is not eligibility criteria, and the wrong answer here is, or statement is, citizen from any state of India cannot participate or cannot be eligible for this scheme. So guys, let's move at another question, and you can look at here that the questions are very factual, and a lot of questions they are not asking which is the right statement. They are actually asking which is not the right statement. And you can also look at in question number 2, okay, where they are asking the number. Okay, it is not very easy to remember number, but they are asking, and this is the nature of UPPCS. Okay, so always while preparing for this exam you have to remember this, that this exam is very factual. And they, in second question, they are asking district of Uttar Pradesh has been covered in the aspirational district program. Okay, wait a minute. So guys, move at another question, and the question number is question number 4, with reference to Uttar Pradesh Population Control Stabilization and Welfare Bill 2021, which of the following is correct? So here two statements are given. In first statement, this bill aims to bring the birth rate down from to 2.1 per thousand population by 2026, which is a little bit factual, and you have, and the statement is true. And the second statement is, it at present the fertility rate in state is 2.7 per thousand. Second statement is also correct. So here the right answer is C. Both A and both 1 and 2 are correct. And to move at question number 5, which of the following river is not the part of Indian Ganga river basin? This is also a not very tough question, but a little bit factual. So Junk River is not part of Ganga River basin. Okay, so move at another question, guys. So here I am discussing the set D of question GS paper 1 of UPPCS prelims, which held on 24 October 2021. So you have to remember it. And the question number 6 is asking about, among the following countries, India's trade balance surplus is maximum with which country in 2019 and 2020. So here question is asking about 2019 and 2020. So here right answer is USA. Okay, United States of America. And this is right. You can also find answer of these questions on by searching at Google. And these questions are very straightforward and simple. These questions are not disputed. Okay, so here read question number 7. The symbol of ecomark is related to which of the following? The 4 statements are given, and the safe good for environment is the right option for this question. Okay, and read question number 8. On the recommendation of which commission committee the Inter-State Council was set up in India? This question is very easy, I think. And this question is asked many times in a lot of exams, in states exam. So I think this question is not very tough, and it easy. So your right answer is Sarkaria Commission. So you have to remember it. Read question number 9. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Okay. So once again you have to remember they are asking not correctly matched. So Hundru Fall is at Subnrekha river, which is correct, and the not correct is Budagar or Buda Kak Prapad, which is not at Kanchi river. So this statement is wrong. Move at next question. Nitrogen is not an essential constituent of chlorophyll, RNA, DNA, carbohydrate. And here the right answer, the wrong. Chlorophyll is not found in nitrogen is not found in chlorophyll. Okay, so move at another question. Here are given 2 lists and you have to match, and one list they are given state and second representation in Rajya Sabha, and you have to tell the total seats the which state belongs to Rajya Sabha. And it is also not a very tough question, and Rajasthan has 10 seats and Gujarat had 11 seats. So by looking at this you can reach at a Rajasthan belongs to 10 seats. That's mean option A ka 1 and B ka 3. So by looking this is clearly that answer A is correct. Move at another question. Two statement assertion and reason. There are 4 statement followed by it, and read. Human body synthesis all vitamin required by it. This is right or not? This is a little bit factual disputed question. So here I am giving you option A is correct. Okay, but few are giving that human body is not able to synthesize all vitamins, which is seems wrong. So here this question is very disputed. Okay, so leave this question, or you here option D as well as option A can be correct. So move at another question. Read question number 13. Which which of the following acts of British India strengthened Viceroy's authority over his executive council by substituting portfolio or departmental system for corporate functioning? ओके तो ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया के निम्नलिखित में से किस अधिनियम ने सामूहिक कार्यचालन के स्थान पर विभाग एवं विभागीय पद्धति द्वारा वायसराय की कार्यकारी परिषद पर उनके प्राधिकार को और अधिक बल प्रदान किया? तो हियर द राइट आंसर इज इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट ऑफ 1861. Okay, move at another question. According to Global Peace Index 2021, which of the following is the most peaceful region in the world? This is very logical and very easy question. So here statement Africa, you know, very disputed, where a lot of violence between many countries is going always. So Africa can never be. South America is also not a very peaceful country, where in Brazil there are a lot of disputes or public anger is going on. And Australia, you can hang with C and B. So you know very well that Global Peace Index was topped by Iceland. So Iceland is in European continent. So it's very easy to find out answer. Okay, so Europe or European continent is the right answer here. Most peaceful region of the world. And once again you have to match an institute and location. So here they are again asking which of the following is not correctly matched. So here Indian Institute of Forest Management, which is actually very easy and right, Bhopal, but which is not, they are asking which is not. The Central Agroforestry Research Institute is not in Vanda. But I think all of you read these questions every day, and you know very well that that Central Agroforestry Research Institute is not in Vanda. Move at another question. Okay, read question number 16. Which of the following vitamin is essential for normal vision? So a lot of people giving answer number D, retinol. So retinol is right. And read question number 17. Here they are asking which of the following Ramsar site is not situated in Uttar Pradesh? Okay, so here not situated in Uttar Pradesh. That is Surinsar Mansar Lake is not situated in UP. Okay, Surinsar Mansar Lake is not situated in UP. Move at next question. Read question number 18. Consider formation of state and arrange it in chronological order. Okay, so you can match this question at Google, and it's not a very hard question, very factual. Among following had performed the bird's first heart transplant. जिसका पहला हृदय प्रत्यारोपण निम्नलिखित में किसने किया था? तो that is very easy, and Christian Barnard is the right answer of this question. So Gamya Bharat Abhiyan is associated with, and that Abhiyan is associated with Divyang Vyakti or disabled person. Okay, move at question number next. Fruit stored in a cold chamber exhibit longer storage life because of, and if you are giving in concentration of CO2 in environment, and by other are giving rate of respiration is decreased region. So hold this question and wait for answer key or result when come. So if you attempt choose C as well as B, you can think this question is right. you know the nature of UPPCS, that there are a lot of questions where commission provided not answer one but two options are correct, so it's not very hard, so wait for a real answer. Read another question. Once again, two lists are given here, text and author. That was very factual and not going to tell this question. And another question is, in which year PC Huta Committee on Civil Services Reform was constituted? And here the right answer is in 2004. You can Google it, very easy question. As per Census 2011 estimate, which of the following is the most populous state in India? I think not only UPPCS, everyone will be aware about it. The UP is the most populous state in India. Not very easy, not very tough. Read question number 25. Which of the following countries is not located on bank of Black Sea? So Black Sea is always in news, and the country here are given, they are also in always in news. So Syria is not situated or not at the bank of Black Sea. Move at another question. National Disaster Management Division in India is nodal division in Ministry of Home Affairs for disaster management. Who is the ex officio chairman of National Disaster Management Authority? So here question is asking about official ex officio chairman of National Disaster Management Authority. So here right answer is Pradhan Mantri or Prime Minister of India. Okay. Which of the following newspapers won Pulitzer Prize 2021 in the prestigious public service category? And this question was in news and very easy, and the here right answer is the New York Times. Option B is correct. Consider following event and arrange them in chronological order. Okay. I think these questions are easy. In which of the following cities country's first Indian Institute of Skill was established? And that was in Kanpur. Very easy. General science. Riboflavin deficiency cause which of the following diseases? Scurvy, chelicus, beriberi, pellagra. Chelosis is giving. Name of player medal won in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Bajrang Punia has not won silver medal, actually is bronze medal. So this statement is not correct. Read another question. Sensex is the popular index of Bombay Stock Exchange. It is measured on basis of how many blue chip companies listed in BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange. That is the number of companies is 30. Okay. Move at another question. Engelmann scale is used to measure density of. So here right answer is smoke or dhua. No, air pollution is always in news. That's why they are asking this type of question. And you know, and by looking this year's question, you can think that now UPPCS is also changing their the trend of asking questions. Now they are asking most of the questions which are in news. Okay, they are not totally asking questions fundamental facts. What is the theme of World Youth Skill Day 2021? And this is somehow logical question, and the here statement D is correct. Reimagining youth skill post pandemic. You know, this can be a true question, not very hard. I read question, another question. Which of the following causes is responsible for rainfall during winter in northwestern part of India? And this is a question from geography and be very easy. Western disturbance cause rainfall in northeastern part. Okay. Read another question. Which of the following bill cannot be first introduced in Rajya Sabha? You know very well that money bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha or upper house. Botulism is so they are asking foodborne infection, foodborne intoxication, waterborne infection, or What? So here the right answer is foodborne intoxication. Okay. Saras Ajivika Mela 2021 was organized in which of the following city, and that was organized in Noida. Another question, who was the founder of Asiatic Society of Bengal? That here right answer is Sir William Jones. Very easy. Once again, assertion and region are given. Okay, various component of an ecosystem are not interdependent. This is wrong, straightforward wrong question. It's not very hard to find out, because in a ecosystem everyone is depend on one another. It's not true. So this is wrong. If this is wrong, and reason, you can also, human activities have the impact on the environment, you know very well. Air pollution, plastic pollution, all are, and many anthropogenic pollutions are caused by humans. So here right option is D. Okay, A is false and R is true. Consider following and arrange these in chronological order. You can match this question. You can find answer of this question in your Lakshmikant as well as in Lucent. So I am not going to discuss this question. Find out him by himself. It's not very tough. And with reference to Socotra Island, which of the following statements which are correct? It is an island on Oman. Oman is here, and Socotra is where it is designated as a bird natural heritage site 2000. That is right. Move forward. Which Indian naval ship participated in exercise Cutlass Express 2021? So here right answer is INS Talwar. You can also Google that question, because these questions are very easy and straightforward. You can find the answer of these questions at Google very easy. Which of the following is not a major cocoa producer country? So here answer is Latvia is not. Okay, they are asking about not. Which of the following particles has zero charge? And that is neutron. Very easy, and you read in class 11, 12th, 9, 10th, everywhere that neutron has no charge. Okay, so very easy. At the time of second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, which institute had demonstrated the conversion of nitrogen generator into oxygen generator? You know very well the situation in Bombay was very critical, and the demand for oxygen was at very high in Bombay. That's why somehow it is very logical. IIT Bombay. Okay. Which of the following is known as acceleration stage in urbanization curve? So here somehow third stage, and few are giving first stage, disputed. So leave this question. Read question number 49. Which of the following body is not mentioned in preamble of the Constitution of India? So that is federal is not mentioned anywhere in preamble and not defined. Okay, on sovereign, secular and democratic, you know very well, sovereign and secular are defined or are written in our preamble. Okay. Who among following never presided session of INC or Indian National Congress? And then Lala Lajpat Rai is presided, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, you know very well. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is not presided or never presided. Okay, so here Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, read question number next 51. Which of the following is not mosquito-borne disease? That is sleeping sickness is not by mosquito. Dengue, malaria, filariasis, all are mosquito-borne disease. Two statements are given with reference to Satavahana rulers. Which of the following statements are true? This question is very factual. You have to know it or not. Okay. Here answer is B. Both. One and two. Look at here. Very Satavahana kings for the natures of Prakriti language, public aspect of art got more intrusion during the Satavahana period. So Option B is correct. Which among following are India's permanent and operational research station in Antarctica? That here option C is correct. Bharti and Maitri. Okay. Provision source. Fundamental rights from USA right. Emergency power Germany. Residual power of Central Astronaut. That is from Canada. Okay. So C is not correct. Read question 55. Novi and Kanto plane are located in which of the following countries? And that is Japan. Was very easy. Scheme and year of launch. Match at Google. I'm not going to discuss this question. Topa cloth is obtained from plant which of the following? That is Morrissey. As per SDG India Index and Dashboard 2021 published by Niti Aayog, which of the following state was not among top 5 states in performance regarding SDG? So here Goa was not also, Gujarat was not also, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh was in top 5. So here, if any one of you attempted Gujarat or Goa, your answer is correct. Who among following director won Oscar Award for Best Motion Picture in 2021 for movie No Man's Land? It was in news. Okay. चले जाओ. Which of the following institute of spring out WPI date in India or wholesale price index? That is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Primary duty of Finance Commission of India is very easy. Many times asks to give recommendation on distribution of tax revenue between union and state. Clock is ticking is the theme of which of the following dates? And word tuberculosis is here, right? That was in news. Not very tough. Assertion and reason are given. Tista river was earlier a tributary of Ganga, now it is a tributary of Brahmaputra. Very factual and you know or not know. River capturing is a major feature of Himalayan river. So here A is correct. Which of the following organization has launched great research initiative for recovery of global economy during the post-pandemic? That is World Economic Forum or WEF. Okay. Which one of the following reflect back more sunlight as compared to other three? That is very easy. Land covered with fresh snow. Albedo is high. Once again asking not correctly, that is promotion of cooperative society is not in Article 43A. At which place did Raja Ranjit Singh set up Adalat-e-Ala? And that is Lahore. Very factual and easy. Lahore. Okay. Who among following was the chairman of First Finance Commission of India? And the Sri K.C. Negoy. And 15th N.K. Singh. Which of the following scheme in Uttar Pradesh were introduced in budget after 2021? So here Mukhyamantri Pravasi Shramik Udyam Yojana was not. So eliminate with 3 10. So C is right answer. With reference to net zero goal for 2050, which of the following statements are correct? So here read very general statement. It means that a country will bring down its emission to zero by 2050, which is not actually possible. So one is wrong. It means that a country's emission will be compensated by absorption and removal of greenhouse gases from atmosphere. It feels somehow correct. So B is right. Which of the following is the correct sequence of island of Indonesia from west to? I'm not going to discuss. Refer and match and for match them. It's your duty. Which of the following labor-related act have been amalgamated into Code Wage 2029? Minimum wage payment, Contract Labor Act, equal remuneration. Fills here D is correct. If not, then comment below. Who among following persons said for fundamental right applied to our people and pact with civilized world? And that is S. Radhakrishnan. You can also search that statement at Google. Is Roger Saline Water Lake very straightforward and also given in Lucent as well as many factual books, and that is Sambar. If largest lagoon saltwater like that was Chilika. Okay. Move to another question. Arrange following foreign travelers in chronological order of their arrival in India. Match with book. I'm not going to discuss. Blue baby syndrome is due to the presence of which of the following in blood? That is lead. You know very well. Yeah, nitrate. UP or Uttar Pradesh government declared in budget 2021 to provide to tablet for student under which of the following yojana? Option A and C both are seems correct. So hold on this question and wait of answer key of commission. Volcanic mountain and country are given. Mount Etna. No, all very well. Where is Mount Etna? Mexico. Which among following organization released bird population report 2021? That is a United Nations Population Fund. Correct statement. Statue of Peace is situated in which of the India Prime Minister? Actually, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi inaugurated statue of that is in Rajasthan. Is a member of State Public Service Commission may be removed by? That is President after inquiry conducted by State Supreme Court of India. Okay. Name of foreign journalist who reported about Salt Satyagraha Darshan Salt Lake was Francois Mark Tully, Webb Miller, Philip Strait, and that is Francis Louis Webb Miller. Francis Webb Miller. Winner of women's single title at French Open Tennis Tournament 2021, Barbora Krejcikova is from which of the following country? That is Czech Ganraj or Czech Republic. With reference to special address of the President of India, which of the following statements are correct? So here, President addressed the joint meeting of Houses of Parliament at the commencement of the first session after each general election of House of the People and the commencement of the first session of each year. That statement is the President in his address informed Parliament this summon. That statement feels somehow it is not correct. Okay. So the right answer was only one. Consider following committees on Panchayati Raj and arrange them in chronological order as with book with yourself and easy and not very hard to match. Who among following was not associated with Kanpur conspiracy case 1924? That was M.A. Ansari was not. Okay. Which of the following types of glass can cut up ultraviolet rays? Krug, soda, Pyrex, China. That here right answer is Krug. Assertion President of India determined qualification of the chairman and member of the Finance Commission. That is not to do anyway. That is Parliament. A chairman and member are appointed by President. That is very true. Is false or is true? With reference to NTPC Unitress Singauli, which of the following statements are correct? It is situated in north part Both statements are true. In which of the following year Environment Protection Act passed by Government of India, that is 1986? Consider fact given below. Sukumar Sen was first Chief Election Commissioner of India, that is right, and Rama Devi, and actually his name, full name is not given here, that's why there are a lot of confusion. If this statement is true, then obviously answer C is correct, and if this Rama Devi is not, and his full name was P.S. Rama Devi, that's why there are a lot of confusion. So hold on this question. PM Bani Yojana is related to with very old and very easy. Availability of Wi-Fi in public places, because the target which was given to was not completed. That's why this question has been asked and was in news. In February 2021, Naoki Ojako Ahila was appointed as first woman Director General of World Trade Organization. She belonged to which of the following countries, that is Nigeria? Which of the following is not an element of rural community, and that is cultural diversity can be found, self-sufficiency is found, well-being feeling is found, territory is not understanding to me. That's why I feel that, but this question is very disputed, so leave this. Site of gaseous exchange in lungs is alveoli, okay, alveoli, and lungs was in news. You know, in COVID-19, most of those who was infected, okay, with COVID-19 problem was in their lungs, and lot of people has lost their life. That's why, because their lungs was not functioning. So you have to remember these things always. With reference to electric potential, which of the following statement is are correct? So it is a scalar quantity, that is correct. Okay. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution is related to contingency fund? That is Article 267 or okay 267. Nobel Peace Prize 2020 was awarded to which of the following organization? That was a food program. Okay. In which of the state of India is the Harappan civilization site Mandi is situated? That is in UP. Very easy. Ul Fawad in God conversation of Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia got complied. So Nizami. Which of the following is the main constituent of LPG? That is butane. Okay, LPG. Very easy and repeated question. According to Union Budget 2022, Finance Minister proposed a new levy agriculture infrastructure and development says this cess will be levied on how many crops? Here 12 is correct. If you think on a question is not, then comment here. Which of the following island is not located in Caribbean? The right answer is Madeira. Assassin is government faces a tough time tackling bottleneck inflation. Situation is due to deficiency in economies such as supply bottleneck and insufficient of distribution. Both statements are correct, and B is right. After cutting cucumber, if salt is added to butter come out due to osmosis. Here's another question. Under the Constitution of India, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Asking about Constitution of India. So vote in general is election is not a fundamental duty. That is a, you can say, constitutional right. Who among following was not an early member of Naujawan Sabha found in that here seems who is this? Shabil Das was not. Foreign Minister of a country Antony Blinken had visited today to India for strengthening cooperation on July 27 and 28 in 2021. He belongs to which of the following countries? That is United States of America. Easy, very easy question. Which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act had necessary provision for implementation of GST? I think everyone know it. Okay. Which of the following is indicator of air pollution? That like an algae. Okay. Headline inflation refers to change in value of all goods on basket on which basis in headline inflation is measured. Consumer price index for industrial worker. Yes. Which Constitution Amendment Act reduced voting age from 21 years to 80 years? Very easy. Not. What Ozone Day is celebrated on? All of you know. Which among following is not a major factor for economic growth? Disputed question. Change in population. Which among following is not a major factor for economic growth? Technocrat and bureaucrat is a major. Division of labor. Change in population seems is not. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Storing of milk is not from nitric. Okay, that is lactic. Association Council of Ministers in India is collectively responsible to both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. That is not. Council of Ministers is actually responsible to Lok Sabha only, not Rajya Sabha. Region is member of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are eligible to become minister in union government. It is true. With reference to birth rate, which of the following statements are correct? Urbanization helped in reducing birth rate, and here I think both are correct. Ministry of Culture, Government of India as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration birth anniversary of Shahid Ram Prasad Bismillah in June 2021 at which of the following places in Uttar Pradesh? That is Shahjahanpur. With reference to Mekong River, which of the following statements are correct? Okay. No, that is not correct. Only one. With reference to G7 summit held in June 2021, which of the following statements are correct? So here, United Kingdom was chair of summit. Brazil was invited to summit as a guest country. I think see. India Climate Change Knowledge Portal was launched in which of the following months? That is November 2020. Non-renewable source of energy, that is petroleum. Concept of carbon credit, that is from Kyoto Protocol. Assertion is given. Mughal Empire was originally a military state, that is true, and vitality of development of central government system depend on military. Seems both statements are true, but reason is not the real. Okay. Both statements seems true. A as well as B. So hold on this question. Tamil Nadu, Ekka 4. Okay. Rajasthan, Guru Shikhar. Seems D is true. with reference to radioactivity, which of the following statements are correct? Radioactivity is a nuclear property, that is true. A hydrogen bomb is prepared on the principle nuclear fusion, not nuclear fusion, not fusion. Okay, only one. Public Account Committee of Indian Parliament scrutinized report of CAG or Comptroller and Auditor General, who originally propounded the theory of three stages of social development. Who? Karl Marx or Herbert Spencer? It is Karl Marx. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Find out of this question in your loose center. Which one of the following books written by Nobel literate Amartya Sen and published in July was in news? Function of State Public Service Commission of Uttar Pradesh can be extended by, that is Uttar Pradesh State Legislative Assembly. Diffusion of light in atmosphere takes place due to water vapor as well as dust particles. Both seems true. A globe represents to which of the following? Long. Asked many times in previous questions. With reference to capital formation, which of the following statements are correct? Both statements are correct here. C is correct. Process of capital formation depends on saving as well as effectiveness of financial institutions. Statement is correct. And investment in is essential factor of capital formation, which is also correct. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? So here vitamin A is not from orange, so that is not true. In which year Poverty and Un-British Rule in India was published? That is 1901. Simply Fall in Odisha, okay, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand. Both were very easy to find, so by matching these statements, B is true. 0 hour is in the working of Indian Parliament means immediately following after question hour. Which of the following state has lowest density of population as per census 2011? That is Arunachal Pradesh. Very old fact. Fly ash pollution is caused by, that is thermal power plant. Which of the following is the largest lake situated on the east coast of India? That is Chilika. In India, first municipal corporation was set up which among following city? That was Madras. And who among following has been appointed the first woman treasury secretary? And that is Lord Austin. Uttar Pradesh Swami Vivekanand ऐतिहासिक पर्यटन यात्रा योजना 2021 was introduced by UP government for which of the following people for religious travel? That is not elderly, that is for laborers, industrial labor. Blood glucose level is commonly expressed as milligram per milliliter, and oil and natural gas is situated in New Delhi. Okay, so here is correct. In the context of Indian history, which of the following statements are correct regarding Baikom Satyagraha? This question is also disputed. Okay, it was Satyagraha against untouchable and caste discrimination. Mahatma Gandhi participated in this. Here I am giving CR. Okay, what will be the true? Let's wait the real answer key of UPSC. In my next video, I will discuss the detailed explanation of this question. Okay guys.